I got 30 days to turn this into this.
Using nothing but AI.
I just watched tons of videos on YouTube claiming you can make good money with animated videos for kids made with AI. And I believe I just found the easiest and most affordable guide to make not just the animations, but the money as well.
All I hear, go get the money, so I go get it.
MonsGuide has a recipe of AI tools that she claims are not just super easy to use, but also free to try. We're gonna see if that's true. And since I only got 7.5 hours to make this animated children's story, I really gotta get going.
Let's get that money, honey.
First, she creates the story script with ChatGPT's free version. Obviously, if you have the paid one, even better. She tells ChatGPT that the story must happen in one single location and has maximum 3 characters. This is key in making the process easier for us, especially at the beginning. Otherwise, you're gonna have to be making lots of little scenes and lots of little characters. So the script is not bad at all. But I think that I can at least take 15 minutes to make things nicer, more clear, just more entertaining to children. Because at the end of the day, that's who's watching. Not a little robot, not an algorithm, it's children. But it's absolutely up to you. You don't have to because I'm doing it. But it would be nice. Next, she creates the characters' voices with 11 Labs. This is an AI tool designed to make more natural sounding voiceovers.
What worries you masters you?
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
We obviously choose the voice we like for each little character and then create one line at a time so that it's easier to store, find, and edit later. And this is MonsGuide advice, by the way.
It sure is, friend. It makes our farm a happier place.
These are all pretty believable. It's actually really good. And the great news is that you can add many more voices. There's actually a larger library from 11 Labs that you can use as well. There's definitely moments in which the AI sounds a little off or very off, like it may sound angry over something nice, that type of thing. But 11 Labs actually gives you a decent amount of free credits to really try, which is nice considering that you use credits or tokens every time you generate a voiceover.
We're so happy to have you, Charlie.
The next AI tool is Canva. Here's where we'll design our scene, animate our characters, and edit the actual video for free. To get going, I chose a YouTube thumbnail template, picked a background for my scene. I animated the little background with this AI tool and links in the description below, by the way. And then I went back to Canva and picked the characters. Animating them was super easy. I am not exaggerating. I literally press here and move the character as I wished, guys. This also allows you to play with the speed and the type of movement you want. Of course, in my case, I want kind of a normal speed and very smooth motion. I also played around with different moves. And I chose characters that already have motion so that it looks even more dynamic. Please be careful with items that have this icon. It means they're not free. I added the voiceovers that we made earlier, and it was very easy to do.
The sun shines brightly over a charming farm. Meet Daisy, a friendly cow.
And now, following MonsGuide's tips, I duplicated this scene for consistency and speed, which is extremely important for us right now. I'm honestly impressed at how easy this is. It feels almost natural, at least to me. It's just very intuitive, very user-friendly. But I have to clarify for transparency reasons that while I don't think it's difficult, I do think it takes time. For example, I'm almost done with my first video and it's been almost 5 hours. Obviously, so many factors here to consider: my attention span, my speed, my experience, my internet connection, pretty much everything. But my hope is that because I'm now more familiar with the steps, I can at least bring this down to 4 hours per video. Fingers crossed. Considering how much they claim it's possible to make monthly on YouTube with these types of channels, it shouldn't be impossible to make $1,000 $1,000 in 30 days.
Okay, let's go.
Which would be awesome because making an extra $1,000 per month is my 2024 financial goal. Now, the only massive issue is that I can only dedicate 5 hours per week to this side hustle, which is literally how long it's taken me to make the first video. This means that as of now, I can only publish one video per week. The kind of good news is that the majority of channels that these YouTubers use as moneymaker examples actually post once per week, but I'm a new channel, so I'm not sure that's going to be enough though. 6 hours of my best amateur efforts resulted in a 1 minute and 30-second YouTube video.
Meet Daisy, the friendly cow, munching on some delicious grass. Benny, the curious bunny, hops around nearby.
Ah, what a beautiful day on the farm. Isn't it, Benny?
Definitely not Dora the Explorer. I have to live with that reality, but I'm actually super impressed because I have 0 animation skills, 0 graphic designing skills, and on top of everything, this was free. Does it look funny? Yes, but it's also my very first one, and as long as you and I focus on making that next video better and better, I think we can succeed. I created my video's thumbnail on Canva, wrote the very best title that I could, and published my video. One day after publishing, the video reached an impressive 1 view. And I think that was me. 4 days later, still 1 view. And that's not even close to the numbers required to get my YouTube channel monetized, which is 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 hours of public watch time within 1 year. But the name of the game is patience and perseverance. So I kept going. I repeated MonsGuide's process, and this time it took me 4 hours and 29 minutes, not adding breaks. I published again.
In a meadow vibrant with rainbow flowers.
Got a few views. Still not even close to getting monetized. But at least things were kind of picking up. Except I was the one losing steam. This feels horrible to admit. Especially to you. I don't feel inspired to make more little cartoons. It's just not what I want to do right now. And the reason why I decided to share what I'm going through with you is not to make you feel bad about me, but to remind you, please pick something that is in alignment with you, that makes you happy, that makes you look forward to doing it again and again and again and again, because that's what you're gonna face, automated or not. I mean, even when you're doing the things that you're passionate about, you can get tired. So imagine no interest, no curiosity about at all. You're gonna be in my situation right now, trying to figure out what the heck you're gonna do. How are you? So I actually have an issue, and I was wondering if you could help me, please.
What issue?
So remember the little kids, the animations channel that I started? I don't want to do it anymore. I'm not sure if I'm overwhelmed with the editing for the main channel or what. I was wondering if you could help me make the few episodes that I have left. Maybe 3 more.
3?
It does take like about 4 hours.
4 hours. I'll help you.
Really?
Yeah, I'll do it. The farm animals, yeah.
What do you really want to do? With my best friend on board, we were able to continue this adventure.
And with each word, the meadow seemed to become an even more enchanting place.
He discovered that he actually loves writing children's stories and making these little videos. So he went on to make a few more videos, and views actually picked up. Wow! As per views, let's just say we didn't go viral. And when it comes to money, well, get ready to find out how much we made with 5 videos in 30 days.
God damn it, Barb!
We made $0. I'm not sure 30 days weren't enough, or children just didn't click with the content. But of course, I'm gonna try it many times until this thing works, because I know it can work. It's not easy, but I know for a fact that you can indeed generate pretty great amounts of money. There's definitely an opportunity here, and AI is an awesome help. But listen to the key is help. It's definitely going to help you reduce the time you spend doing things, but it is not a replacement for getting skills. And by the way, Mons is such an awesome kind individual. The fact that she is putting these tutorials out there for us, it's awesome. How much you can make, how fast you can make it, that's where most of these gurus actually lie. And I'm not saying Mons did that. So what's next? I don't want to sound too braggy, but I'm just going to say that I've been doing pretty intense research on Faceless YouTube channels, and I'm feeling pretty confident about my next try. So you definitely want to stay tuned, because you never know when I find the right freaking channel. You could be one of the very first ones to watch, take action, and juice it up. That sounds wrong, but you know what I mean. In the meantime, don't go anywhere. Please check out these videos right here, because I personally think you're really gonna like them. See you next time.